What's up guys, it's Marissa from KRETZ Customs showing off a 2019 Chevy 1500 new body style. KRETZ Customs just got finished leveling this one out. We did add that spacer kit on top of this Chevy so that we can get a little bit more ground clearance for this bigger wheel and tire package. With the new body Chevys, they do have a rounded fender well, so you guys can get a bigger wheel and tire package without having to go extremely big in your lift. We went ahead and added the Fuel Vandal. This is going to be a 20x9+1 offset. So if you do take a side view of this truck, it sticks out about half an inch from those fenders. Your tire is going to be a Nitto Terra Grappler G2. This one is going to be their all-terrain tire, and this size is a 285/55/20. This is going to have a really good performance on-road, some off-road capabilities, but if you do go off-road, I would recommend a little bit more of a thicker tread like their Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is one step up. Now, if you guys like this build and you're ready to build your new body style Chevy, you guys can just click the link in the description below, or you guys can take advantage of our 0% financing options.